Yo, it's Rex Makes Beats, and I'm back with another sneaker review. Today, I've got the Air Jordan 1 Bloodline, also known as Man Was Not Meant to Fly. The leather on these are surprisingly good, as it feels soft and buttery. It's a mainly black and white shoe with accents of red outlining the black portions. You've got a blacked out Air Jordan Wings logo at the ankle. It comes with flat red laces and an extra set of black and white laces as well. The black laces have the phrase, "Man was not meant to fly." Then you've got a white mesh tongue with black tag and Nike Air in red. The sneaker has an all red outsole with classic star pattern at the toe. The insoles are black and again has the phrase, "Man was not meant to fly" in red.